Hey, what is going on everyone, TZ here. This is episode 20 of the multiplayer tutorial of Unity3d. Showing you each team has their own separate character model. So, we want to open up Network Manager. And go down to the bottom, and you need to create a new class. System.serializable public class team. Now we're going to go public string team name public game object model. So in level where we have list string, change it to list team, and then we got to menu, and also I changed in the player we need to change string team to team, and I changed the name to cur team instead of team as well, the name of the one in player. So now also one other thing, where we have server underscore player joined, where it randomly generates the team that you're on, where we have +1, put -1, and then as well. So that's pretty much that. So I'm just going to set up each model. List of levels. 2 teams in each level. There's red, blue, red, blue, and then we've got to assign the character models. So I already did that. So when you got player, you'll have a constructor as a child. Remove that. Actually, don't remove it. Set it as a prefab, and then remove it. Is what I meant. And then double it, and then I've already done this. So I've got the red character and I've got the normal character. So I'll just assign them. So the red character and the blue character. The red character and the blue character. So save, and then in user player where we have spawn, I'm gonna go if third person, if not third person, sorry. Third person equals instantiate. If not third person, I want to go if third person is equal to null. Instantiate my player then dot team dot model vector 3.0. Vector 0, and then quaternion dot identity, and then we want to go third person dot transform. Also we want to where we have in instantiate my player dot where it's got model dot transform, and then as transform. So transform dot parent equals and then so that should do that. And if that is equal to the if third person equals to null means basically when the first time you spawn it will instantly get the third person model, and then you die, and then that's what it's saying. Load, yeah, that's all good. Oh yeah, sorry. And then in up here where we got third person game, which said that, of course, just comment that out because third person isn't there. And then network anim states, yeah, states. Sorry, I'm gonna go third person equals gets component user player dot third person. Dot game object, and then we want to go if third person in update in third person if third person player does not equal null, and if you're following, I'm in the network anim states, by the way. Might want to point that out. Nope. Yeah, that's fine. Boop. It's either one, I'm in the blue team. You'll see that oh yeah, oops. In menu manager, where we have if cur teams equals to teams dot. In fact, I've got a better idea. I have a much better idea. Public color, spelled the American way. Team call. Yeah, much better. So in menu, you want to go. GUI.color equals PL.color. No, cur team dot team call. Yay! That is a much better way of doing it. So now, for red team, set it to red. For blue team, set it to blue. Red. Blue team, oh yeah. So now we start. That didn't go very well. There we go, and that didn't work. Why? What is this one? Actually, fact. In network states, start, and in pair, where is user pair, we need to go get component network and states dot third person player equals third person dot game object. So. I'm not sure why that's working. Yeah, it's team red. Why isn't that work? Label. Wait, where am I? Where am I looking? Is it? There it is. pl.curteam.team. Why isn't that working? I'm gonna pause it. Okay. Okay, I figured out what was wrong. It was just in the color. Basically, you're gonna see that A is set to 0, so it's 2 to 5 for each of them, for every color that is. That is why it's doing that. It's a thing you have to do from now on. So. See, that worked. We got the red team. And so as you can see, player fine. There's nothing there. We hit spawn, and that worked. Third person. So that works perfectly. They're getting no reference error. Oh yeah. Right, in weapon manager for now, we're just gonna have to, in weapon manager in spawn, just comment out user manager, user player, sorry, dot server. Right, so now, when we build it, should work. I'll pause it while it builds. I failed. I forgot to enable menu, so I'm going to rebuild it. Right, so side the first server. And I really need to do this, sorry. There. 8/600 TZ1. Hello. Login. Boop. Oh, okay, that was another server. Somebody is using useful in the tutorials. Kinda cool, I love you for doing this, Mr. Nope. A. What an original name. Connect. Ah, okay, we got a shit ton of no references. What the hell are all these? Huh. Hang on. Hello. So hello, hi. I didn't. Oop. Alright, now we gotta choose that one. Hello. Name. Okay. Ah, it's that. Okay. That one. Basically, okay, wrong one. Here, we need to go. If stream.is writing, above that, just highlight it and just tab it all in. And then we need to do an if statement. If third person does not equal null, then it does all that kind of stuff. I forgot that. There we go. That should fix that error spam. So build and pause it again while I build. Okay, that is built. And Skype is bleeping. I've got to pause it again. Okay, Skype will no longer bleep. Log in. Start. Oh, let's find it. Oh dear, I just logged into the wrong user. One. Hello. Login. see they're both red because they were both on the red team, but it's hovering slightly because of the bad positioning on my part. But and both on the same team, so you can't kill either of them. Yeah. So what I'm going to do next week. Look at that. What I'm going to do next week is have it so they can, first of all, so you can choose what team you're putting on. Second of all, so like right now, if I would shoot him, but if he was, it would initiate the ragdoll for the, even though it's on the red team. So next week I can try to do that as well. Yeah, so there wasn't an episode last week, but problems happened and stuff. So yeah, just watching, and I will see you in the next